Oh no, I have started my thing with the wrong title. I better change that. Let's change that. Oh no, it's also talking to myself. Okay, hold on. Gotta change title of my show. Let's go. What are we doing today? We're doing some remix, some JavaScript, some Prisma, some SQL, not Prism, Prisma, SQL, and deploying to Linode. Something like that. Good enough. We're done. That's good. Cool. Okay, things are good. Let's look at where we've gotten to here. This one. So we have an app, and I think what I want to do is walk through the deployment process one more time, soup to nuts. That is going to be failing because it's not actually running. So let's go npm run dev. Gonna do our tailwindy stuff and our remixy stuff. And it's gonna think about it for a while. There we go. And it should be going. And it doesn't want to go. No errors on the server. Oh, that was it. Just loaded. There we go. Cool. We've got that. We've got a photo of Nugget. Picture of Nugget seems to be broken because oh, I opened the link in the wrong tab. I guess I could just do that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's check out this picture. Ah. Yeah, because that would have to live in the file system where it currently does not. Okay, this highlights an interesting problem. Interesting problem. We don't have to deal with it today, but I think what we probably want to do is be able to have some value that says like where this URL is going to run at. There we go. Should be all fixed now. There you go. Uploaded, and we're all good. Cool. Okay. Cool. Let's get this thing deployed. So first things first, I'm going to go into cloud.linode. Is there anything I shouldn't be showing off here? No, I think we're fine. Let's go. Let's do this. Cloud.linode. Let's go. Oops. No. Okay. I'd rather try and accomplish something great and fail than try to accomplish nothing and fully succeed. If there's one, cool. Got it. Got my linodes, got my databases. So, first things first is I'm going to create a new database. Let's go to my databases. Let's create a database cluster. We're going to call this npm. And I'm going to run this on latest version of Postgres. I'm going to put this in the closest region to myself because why not? And we're going to go, let's go ahead with like, yeah, just a little 1 gigabyte. Number of nodes, 3 nodes, high availability, recommended, probably a good choice. This is just a little dev server thing, so I'm going to put it on there. Add access control. I'm going to have to come back to this for that one. But let's go ahead and, yeah, let's do that. Let's create that database cluster. That is going to be provisioning. While that is provisioning, let's see. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna need this information. I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna grab this later. Here, once it's available, that makes sense. Cool. So let's go to Linodes. Let's create a new Linode. Let's do. I prefer Ubuntu. I don't know why. Just been using it forever. Put it in the same region as my database. That way, when they communicate, they're going nice and quick to each other. We're going to do a shared CPU. Also going to do the cheapo thing. And we're going to call this npm. I don't know. It's July, right? July 8th. Right, let's go 2022 0708. Cool. Tags, I'm gonna call that a temporary thing. Root password, let's do something relatively good. Don't really care what the password is because I'm going to be adding my SSH keys to this box. Cool. Let's create this Linode. This is going to be the server that we are deploying our application to. This is going to take a little while to provision. It's going to give us an IP address, and it's going to give us the command to SSH in. Now I'm going to take this IP address, and I'm going to, let's see, log into my DNS, which I'm not going to do over here. I'm going to do this in my own screen because I don't know if I want to share all my DNS information. So give me a moment while I log into my website, DNS controller, and I'm going to add a record. I'm going to modify. Yeah, I'm going to add a record that is going to point to this IP address. So I don't think this is actually going to do anything because, well, it is up, but there is no server actually running here yet. So next thing's next. Let's see, how do we actually deploy this to Linode? So let's get the SSH access first, right? Let's go here. Let's go into my terminal. Let's close that dev server. We'll SSH in. Where'd it go? There it is. Copy that. Paste it there. SSH in. It's going to ask me if I trust this server. Yes, I do. And we're in. Awesome. Cool. What is next? What do I need to do next? Ah, that's right. I actually have the script that I wrote for how to do this. So let's see. Need to make sure a bunch of things are installed. Blah 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 blah. Okay, that's all the actual work. And listing content and actually deploying. Here we go. Okay, so we've set up our database. Yes, and we have set up our server. And that's right. One thing I need to do is, now I have this database thing, I need to actually take this IP address and say, hey, you, I need to give you access control. Wait. Do I have to wait? It's gonna say, hey, you have to wait until your server's provisioned. So the database thing takes a while, but that's all right. We'll come back to that. Okay, so what do I need? Okay, I need to have Git stuff figured out. Get npm. So let's do this. Let's go GitHub Austin Gill. Remind me later. I didn't realize I was logged in. Directly to GitHub tickets. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go to repositories, and PDX Doggos is the name of the project. So let's get the code. HTTPS, that's fine. Cool. Oops, I just clicked the wrong thing. No, don't open. Okay, cool. We should have Git installed. Okay, fine. Git version. There you go, cool. And then we're just in our we're in our home directory. Dash root is a directory. Okay. Echo pwd. Yeah, okay, cool. Root, awesome. Okay, next thing's next. We have our server. We're going to wrong thing. We're going to git clone the project into the folder that I'm going to call, I don't know, npm. Pet manager. Cool. Cloning into pet manager. Awesome. Next thing, I need to go and actually install npm, which is a node version manager, because right now Node is not installed. Command not found database. Oh, that's right. Probably a really smart thing to do anytime you have a machine. First thing to do. Move on to what you want to do. Cool. That's updating. This node version manager is still, node is not going to be installed. So we just come down here and we copy this little curl command. Where'd that, the heck? There it is, cool. Copy that. Cool, we can say like node version, command not found. You can install it with apt install node. But I want to use npm so that I can easily switch between node versions. Now that said, I should be able to do npm. No, I shouldn't actually. npm not found. This is a trick. You have to restart the terminal. So I log out of that SSH session, log back in, and then we can say npm, and it gives me all of these, all the commands I can do. So I'm just going to do npm install node. That's going to install the latest version, I think. It's also going to set it as the default version. So now I can say, hey, what's my node version? Node version, cool. We also see that npm is installed. Excellent. Okay, with that, I have Git, I have Node, I have my server, I have my application installed, or I have my source code installed at Pet Manager. Now there's some things I need to do. I need to get into the Pet Manager folder, npm install the dependencies. Do a little dance break. Okay, while that is going, npm is done. This little dude is still provisioning. Gosh, it takes a while to get a database around here. You know what I'm saying? The password, I'm gonna have to take that off screen because I'm not gonna show you all that. CPU is up. CPU probably should be doing some sort of work at this point. I'm sure that this will show some graphs and charts. Okay, everything is installed. NPM audit for details. New minor version of NPM available. Awesome. Don't really need that. Cool. We have our node dependencies. Okay, I need to copy the .env sample file to .env. That is one of the files that is excluded from Git, so it would not be brought over. Then we can edit that file, .env. I have to put my database URL information here, which I don't currently have. I mean, I have some of it. My host, I basically just have the username. Awesome. That's not actually helpful at the moment. Okay, what else can I do? Close, please. How do I close? X, there you go. Okay. I also need PM2. npm install global PM2. Okay, so we need PM2. That's going to be great. That is going to run my application. Let's see. I want to check out what's inside of cat Prisma schema. Okay, database provider is Postgres, perfect. And then it's going to pull in the database URL from the env file. Cool. I really need that database connection thing to work. So, gosh, this is taking a while. Okay, note to self. Do the database thing right away. Cool. Love this chiptune. Guns N' Roses is great. I need both of these, and I need to not show that env file. Don't want to show that. That's gonna give away our secrets. Okay. Well, I mean, I might as well do this part then. Let's go to install. We're gonna have to run build. We're gonna have to run build after we do the env thing. So yeah, I guess we might as well install Caddy server. Let's do that. Learn how to get started. There you go. Let's do install. And we're going to go to DB Ubuntu. Cool. We're here now. So let's install some of the dependencies to get Caddy server up and running. Dang, am I really going to do this in like half an hour? That's not bad. I mean, I've had worse. Let's do that next part. Okay, let's do the next part. Cool. This is, oh no, click the thing again. I need to get out of the way, it's too close. There you go. And install Caddy, please. Awesome, Caddy is so sweet. Really like it. Cool. That's good to go. So now, if we go to our server, I think we should see, there it is, Caddy, nice and easy. You just install it and it just like works. Cool. So I need to change some things. I think I have, let's see, npm.austingill.com. I think I have that pointing to this new IP address. I do. I feel like that should, hold on, not HTTPS, just HTTP. That might be a caching issue. Okay, cool. We got it working. So we go to npm.austingill.com. It is definitely a caching issue because if I open a new tab, what is it, private browsing, this is where we are. Perfect. So next thing is next, and the next thing is still waiting on that database thing. So Caddy is installed. We're still provisioning. Come on now. Oof. What am I gonna do in the meantime? Anyone have questions? Music is way louder than me. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I see that. There you go. That should be much better. And yeah, that should be about right. What's going on, Brent? Have you been hanging out this whole stream, watching the progress? We've got a server up. Thank you. Thanks for the tip. We've got this server up. We've got our database provisioning. We've got the remix stuff actually set up. This is my second time running through it, but we're going to deploy this bad boy to npm.austingill.com. No big deal. And this is one of the things that like the remix docs are not great about. I mean, probably because like all of this is subjective to whatever you want to do. But it would be nice if they had some sort of like, this is how you can run it on a VPS, you know? As we'll see, it takes quite a bit of work because you have to get the code onto the server. Then you have to run the project, but you can't just do npm start because then you're like trapped. It's only going to stay up as long as the terminal is open, or that SSH connection is. I mean, I guess you could probably run it like behind the scenes maybe. But then what happens if the server crashes, right? You want something that's like going to be resilient so that if the server crashes and reboots, you want that application to start up again. So we're going to do that with PM2. And then that's also going to be running on port 3000. And although you can probably tell Remix to run at port 80, I think it's a much better practice to use a reverse proxy for that. So that's where Caddy comes in. We're going to have a reverse proxy, and not only is it going to route the traffic from port 80 to be handled by port 3000, but it's going to also automatically install and configure an SSL certificate for us, which is without us having to do anything. I mean, the server is already up and running. Like, this is already even easier than Nginx. I don't know which one is faster. Nginx definitely has way more community support, but boy, for my own little projects, yeah, Caddy's the way to go. So, I mean, that's it. Half an hour, and now I'm just waiting for the database to finish provisioning. Come on, should I have just like paid for a bigger database? Yeah. All right, fuck it. I'm gonna show how to do this with another one. So this database has already been created. I'm going to copy this stuff. So let's do it this way. I'm gonna copy this stuff. We're gonna say nano.env please, and we're gonna go the username. Oh shoot, I did not mean to do that. Don't save those changes. We're gonna do the user name is going to be Lynn Postgres. The password I'm gonna grab here in a minute and not show you. Database, we're gonna call it, I don't know, whatever, npm, sure. And the domain, you could put the IP, well, no, I guess you can't put the IP address, because that is the host right there, which I guess I should rename that to like host, not domain. So that's the host, that's the port, that's the database. Just need to put in the password. And again, I'm going to take this off screen. Or maybe I shouldn't take it off screen. I'm just going to turn my screen off. So I really should have like a little privacy screen. But I'm just gonna, what am I going to do? There's my screen. Let's turn that off really quick. Timeout. Okay, show the password. Grab the password. Hide the password again so I don't forget. Paste the password in the field, and then Control X. Ask me if I want to save. Yes. Enter, save it into .env, and show the screen again. Cool. That's in there now. I have to remember not to look at it, otherwise I will be exposing my database password, which I don't want to do. We're missing one thing. Database access. I need to tell this database where it can be accessed from, and I want to say that go ahead and make it possible to access the database from here. Oh, see, there's the activity that we're seeing, network and files. Cool. We'll add an IP. We'll do that. Update access control. I think that's going to take a little while as well. Gosh, that one's still provisioning. All right. Primary +2. Oh, yeah, okay. Cool. This one's in Atlanta. Should have put this one in Fremont, but that's okay. Okay, so with that in place, we have our env file, we have all of our code, we have all the npm dependencies, we have our environment variables. I think that's almost everything. That's almost everything. Okay, I need to nano/et/caddy customize the caddy file. So we're going to go down here. We're going to change this to npm.austingill.com. We're going to no. Cancel. Delete. And let the reverse proxy be enabled. We're going to put that at port 3000. Cool. Awesome. Caddy server is going to run on port 3000, which means we need to start our application on port 3000. So let's look at, cool, database changes active. The other one is done provisioning. So maybe, yeah, you know what? We're gonna use this other one. Hold on one sec. Let me turn this screen off one more time. Okay, cool. Let's get this password. Let's modify the env file one more time. Let's throw, no. Let's modify, put in the new password, and put in the new host name as well. Hide that. Copy that. Paste that. Control X, Y, enter. Cool. Let's get the screen back up. And we have our env, we have our code, we have our reverse proxy, we have our database, we have our IP, or our server. So let's do this. We're going to do npm run build. That is going to build our project. Finish the Tailwind thing, finish the remix thing in production mode. And then we need to start it. So npm start, right? This is not going to be the final command. I just want to show where this is. Oh, look at that. It totally puts in the IP address of whatever the local machine is. That's pretty cool. Here. So if I go, we should see something, hopefully. Can't reach database server. That's right. That makes sense. That makes sense because we need to manage the access control, add the IP address, update access control. Forgot that one step. And this is still going to throw some errors, but the good news is we can see that Remix is running. Give that a minute. Reload that. Gosh, this is not going to want to work here, is it? There's my caddy server. Nope. There's my caddy server. And I think port 3000. Yeah, npm austingill. npm austingill.com, port 3000. Very nice. Didn't quite get this under 30 minutes, but that's okay. Database npm does not exist. That makes sense because I have not run my Prisma migration. So let's do npx Prisma migrate prod, I think. Nope, migrate dev, migrate deploy. Okay, cool. Now we can start it. And that is our running application right there. How about that? Cool. Database is connected. I missed that one step. I need to add that to my notes. npx Prisma migrate deploy. Cool. Okay, let's do one more thing. We have a problem here. Problem is, if I close this application's gonna die. Like if I stop this and try and exit out of the server, go back to our running application and reload. Why is this open? Oh yeah, right. Server's dead, see? Not cool. Not cool. So what we can do is get back into the server. And we're going to use PM2, which we have installed, I believe. PM2, yep, it's pretty cool. I'm going to say PM2 start. I'm going to give it a name. Is, I don't know, remix. And then I'm going to tell it to run npm start. That's going to spawn a Matt Damon with, yeah, this command successfully daemonized, and it ran those things, and I can see that my remix application is online, which and that means I can do things like, let's see, PM2 list is going to show me, uh-oh, there was an error. What was that error? Why is there an error? That's weird. PM2 logs remix error related to npm not being able to find a file. I see the problem. The problem is I'm in the wrong folder. So let's go pm2 delete remix, and then we'll get into our actual application folder. cd pet manager, and then we'll say that same pm2 command. There we go, it's online. pm2 list, still online. That's a good sign. If we go here, reload, maybe that's gonna work. This HTTPS thing is so annoying in Chrome. Like, it just keeps redirecting me. Okay, fine. Let's see. Chrome, http://npm.austingill.com. Still redirecting me. That's annoying. Anyway, we can reload and our application is up because PM2 is running it. Now, once again, we still have this last problem where it's running on port 3000 and we want to use Caddy. Hey, you like that, huh, Brian? We want to use Caddy to be that reverse proxy. So if we say something like PM2 logs remix, it's going to tell us these were the logs from when we had an error. This is actually not the case anymore. These are the correct logs from remix, and yeah, it's telling me that it's running at port 3000 still, which makes sense. Is what I expected. What we need to do is tell Caddy to use the reverse proxy, which I know that we already edited this file, but we're just going to get into it one more time. Nano etc caddy, the caddy file. Again, this is the settings to tell Caddy that at this URL I want you to run the reverse proxy where you're serving the application or the process running. Thank you. The stash and headphones, gotta love you too. A real official birdie. I was doing some stuff, and I'm still doing some stuff. So yeah, this is the all of the stuff that isn't commented out is all we need to tell Caddy to run a reverse proxy. We already saved that file, but we haven't restarted the process, or we haven't reloaded that. So it's still from when it originally loaded, when we originally installed Caddy. It is still running that process, which is why we see this default Caddy welcome screen. So they have some very handy commands here that actually tell us what we need to do. We've edited our Caddy file. Now we just need to tell the systemctl to reload Caddy. And I broke the site. Let's see, npm.austingill.com. Booyah. First try, baby. Other cool thing about this. Other really cool thing. I guess it doesn't work on the IP address. That's kind of weird. I feel like it would, but the other cool thing about this is we see the little lock up here because, let's see, connection is secure. Certificate is valid. We are using, some Let's Encrypt, a Let's Encrypt certificate that is valid from today until, what is that, October 6th? And the nice thing is we can actually just set it and forget it. Our Caddy server is going to handle reissuing and reinstalling the SSL certificate. So that's it, 40 minutes. Okay, not too bad. Most of that was because we were waiting on the database to provision. But that's it. That's it, we got it. Let's add a new pet. Let's throw Nugget in there, and let's say type of dog. I don't remember Nugget's birthday. Let's add Nugget, Nuggetino, and Nuggedooters. There he is, just like that. And it is taking a long time to load that. That's weird. That is weird. Okay, much faster now. I don't know what the deal was there. Reload the page. Page is pretty quick, at least for me. This page, pretty quick also. Let's go... Cool, cool, cool. Pretty quick. Not bad. Not too shabby. Alright. That is launching a Remix app on a Linode VPS with a Linode managed database with a Caddy reverse proxy, free SSL certificate, custom domain. Not too bad. Not too shabby. This is done, this is done, this is all done. I'm going to keep this up for a little bit in case anyone wants to play with it. But that is as far as we need to take this example, because I caught one mistake that I didn't have there, which was that Prisma migration thing. Probably something I should read up a little bit more on. But otherwise, yeah, I'm just going to try and get this application looking nice now, because I can confirm that that deploy process was pretty smooth. Happy with that. Happy with that. Okay, what's next? Yeah. Let's actually get into this project. So let's get out of this server. Let's verify for you know, whatever sake, that it's still running even though we exited from the terminal. And yeah, man, it's cool. It's cool. Getting better at this stuff. I like it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get into dev mode over here. Run dev. Okay, let's see. Over here, no, over here. Let's go on my localhost instance now. And close that down. Localhost is up and running. Cool, what do I want to do? Let's see, this pagination thing. I want to fix this pagination thing. So I'm going to say, hey, route. You know this, this pagination thing you're showing? I want to maybe not show that if we have not enough pages. So if total pages, let's do this. Total pages. Let's calculate that. Total pages equals that data.count over query dot per page. Query per page. That makes sense. I don't know if I actually want to show the. Well, we're gonna change that, I think. Okay, if the total pages, here we go. We're gonna go like this and do total pages greater than 1 and show the pagination. Okay, pagination is still there. Total pages, it's always this thing that takes forever the first time. Cool, it's reloading, it's reloading, it's rebuilding, it's rebuilt in 5 seconds, reloading the window. Boy, I got some, you know, that's probably because Chrome is running. There you go, let's close that down. Cool, pagination only shows if we don't have more than 1 page. Let's test that. Let's add Austin. I don't know why, because we need something. Yeah, no, not that one. That one's gonna be too big. There we go. Add pet. Great. Cool. And then let's do the default per page. Utils. Default per page. Let's change that to 1 and see. So there should be 1 thing per page. Cool. There we go. Next page. Previous page. Gosh, these are taking a long time to load. Oh, right. Yeah, because I have my database in Atlanta, Georgia for this instance, which was a mistake. So I'm actually going to run this locally. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's actually turn off my screen because I'm going to need to change my env stuff. So bear with me for 1 moment. Let's go to the env file and there we go, there we go, there we go. Close that, turn this back on. Let's close this down, restart it. We're running with a local Postgres, so that should be much quicker now. Yep, nothing to see. That's good. It's good news. That is good, 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 good news. Okay, let's add Nugget back. Nugget, type is dog. Choose a file, throw Nugget on there, add the pet. Let's add, oh, we got an error there. Total pages. What happened there? It's an interesting little issue. Okay. Let's go. I've got some weird discrepancies. You're over here just singing it. Yeah. I actually just realized that I was making noise, and I don't think that I was aware that I was making noise at the time. Alright, let's check this out. I'm going to modify this one, rename it to, what are you doing? Get out of here. Hey, when I say rename, you rename. There you go. We're gonna call this Docker post, like local Docker Postgres. Okay. Cool. What do we got? In my local Docker, we've got databases, we've got Postgres. You guys probably can't even see this. I don't even know if I can bump the view up. Window. It's actually even still kind of small for me. How do I appearance? Editor? No. I don't know. I don't know how to zoom this in, so you'll have to make do. But we can look at the schemas. That's not what I wanted to do. Look at the public, look at the tables, and then we can see how many pets do we have in this database. We have 2. One of them was created a couple days ago, which probably, honestly, shouldn't even be there. So I'm going to try deleting that. Cool. We've got pets. We've got person is not being used. Upload is being used. I really should have a when these were created field on there. Okay. We'll go ahead and delete this one too. Burp. Cool. I think that was a bug from the other day. Yeah, okay, great. I've accidentally deleted an image. So let's choose file. Let's put that up there. Let's edit the pet. There's Nugget. Cool. We'll go home. Okay, we have 1 pet. We don't have a second entry. That's good. Now if I'd make another dog with the same name. Ah, see, we do have an issue here. We have 2 dogs. Oh, no, yeah, no, this is right. Actually, this is not a bug. I totally set the pagination to a single page a moment ago. Cool. The problem that we have here is this dog obviously doesn't have an actual image, so there's a broken image there. Cool, we're good. We are good. Set that to 12. That should change what we've got here. Yep, and we've got 2 little nuggets. And now we get to get into some of the fun design stuff that I wanted to work on. So we've got Nugget, we've got this sort of preview of Nugget. We need, where's the list of cards? There's a card. We've got doggo image URL. So let's see if I can actually print out the doggo details here. Let's go doggo, no, JSON dot stringify that null to wrap that all in a pre-tag. And what do we have? We have an image. Okay, we have an issue. We have an issue, and it is the same issue on create that we had on the update. Easy enough to fix. And that is that the image, the entry for the image is being created despite the fact that the image doesn't actually exist. So we do that. We go here where the image is being created, and we basically do the same code, get rid of that. I mean, I really just need this thing. Okay, we'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of all this. There we go. There we go. Don't need this anymore. Burp, thank you. Which means we can edit this pet. We can delete this pet. Thank you. I hit save on that like 20 minutes ago. We can create a new pet. We can do one called, I don't know. We got a pet name in the chat. I saw a very cute pet the other day this morning called Luke Jean. Luke Jean. Type was a dog, of course. And, yep, that's how we want it. Now, we may want this sort of same dealio that we've got here. Oh, look at that. Creatus also has some errors with these things. Gonna have to fix those. Label, avatar. So here's what I need. Be a rock and not the road. The music got me, sorry. Okay, what I need to do is say if there is not a pet image. This is kind of the annoying thing because I have a general purpose card. I have a general purpose card. And I want to provide this this sort of fallback experience where if we go here, we see like a dog, right? Like, what I want to do is, let's see, let's do Whiskers. Whiskers is going to be a cat, and we're going to add that cat, and then we're going to add, I don't know, Bubbles is going to be a fish, and we're going to add, let's see, what else do we have? A bunny. Let's call the bunny, Hopper. Hopper? Hopper. Bigfoot. Bigfoot? Lucky. Cool. So I want representation of all these different types of animals. Okay, let's do this one thing at a time. So let's open up the card. Card component, and I basically need to show a placeholder if the image is not there. If we have a thumb, we show this thumb, right? So this is actually going to move down, and that's going to move down. That way we always have this aspect ratio there. I think that's right. What's he complaining about? Yeah, that's good. Okay, yep. Now we always have our little placeholder thing there. And then I need this thumb. They're going to say if there's not a thumb, then we need this SVG component. We're going to say import SVG from ./index.js. And yeah, we'll use the pop print for now. That auto, yep, that puts it there. I'm not going to call this the icon. I'm going to call this the href. Is going to be the pop print because the href is going to be treated differently, even though I don't actually have it there. No, go back. Okay, SVG, let's go. Href. Ah. Yeah, that makes sense. Href is that. Cool. Why do I do that? Because I need this SVG to actually, where is it? There you go. To actually take up 100% of its width. So this should be max width 100%, and then height 100%. I guess I should be like width and height 100%. Yeah. That way it actually is a square to its container. And this one can have like a padding of 30 pixels. Yep, and that's going to affect it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This... Let's see, so yeah, if it's not an icon, basically, I don't need this class name. SVG, I feel like, yeah, width and height should just be 100% on SVGs by default. CSS. Oh my goodness, you should absolutely take advantage of that. Like, you're going like right now? What time is it? Yeah, oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. Or are you going up for like the weekend? Well, regardless, either way, I think that's wonderful. I'm gonna get rid of this color. Didn't like that color in the end. Let's do some layer base H2. Yeah, okay. Okay. Dang! 6 minutes away to go fishing? What have you been doing here this whole time? SVG, if an SVG does not have a width, then we're gonna say width 100%. Same with the height. I think I got that. Doesn't look like I quite got that. SVG. I feel like I did get that. Whoa! I definitely got it, and I definitely did not get it right. Okay, so SVG, where it's not an icon, should also, okay. Yeah. Too explicit. So I think what I can do is say, let's do this. And then we'll do where, not with. That may move the specificity down. Let's change this. Nope, that didn't, well that just like didn't run the rebuild. Pretty close though, getting there. Big ass 6 miles and 1,500 feet in elevation. Nice. Oh, like you have to go, wow, okay. My little 2005 Honda Civic Hybrid would probably not even be able to make it. Booyah, there it is, cool. So we have some rules that explicitly define the width and height, unless it's an icon, in which case the icon rules take over. Love it. Okay, let's get some icons. Let's go icons. Is it icons or is it iconify? It's icons. Yes. Let's do a search for dog. And we're gonna do a cute little dog face. One of these is good. Which one is it gonna be? I'm thinking this one. Oh, that one's pretty good. Yeah, that one's good. Let's do that. Let's copy the SVG symbol. Let's go down to our symbols. I already have an icon dog. But I've been using the paw print. Okay, have I been using icon dog, DOG? Oh, it's not gonna be. Yeah, create, okay, doggos. I have not used that SVG yet. Type, birthday, okay, got it, cool. Let's just seed it. Let's change this dog. And there's nothing wrong with the dog, but symbol, view box, cool. sweet child of my eye. Wow, 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 wow. That's my dog. We need a dog. We need a cat. Oh man, maybe I should do these colorful ones actually. They're pretty good. I'm gonna do these cute dog ones because that makes way more sense. Let's see, Tweemoji, that's pretty good. I kind of love this emoji one. Dog. I'm gonna go with this emoji one dog. It's too good. Cool. Let's actually replace that with. Let's replace this whole symbol with that symbol. We're gonna call that icon dog. Cool. Bum 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 bum. Cool. We got the dog. Let's look at the cat. Really? Oh, there you go. Load more, load more, load more. Okay. I probably am not. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're getting them. Load more. I guess we have this one, which may be, yeah, Tweemoji cat face. That's pretty good. Let's copy that symbol. ABC, it's gonna go here. Cat, it's gonna be, there we go, that symbol. This is going to be the icon cat face. And then we're gonna go fish. A lot of good fish to choose from. Tweemoji tropical fish. A little beta. I'm thinking that one. That's a pretty good looking house fish. Copy that. Let's go down. A, B, C, D, E, F. Cool. There's a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass needs to be like cleaned up a bit. There you go. There you go. Cool. Nope. Yep, right there. Fish. No, before magnifying glass. Here. Fish. Goes there. Bruh. Feel like yep, forgot my comma there. Any more errors? Kind of hard to tell. Too many colors going on here. Way too many colors going on here. But I think we're good. Cat. Chevron up, chevron down, dog. Okay. I guess I could search for this. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Cool. What was I just doing? Fish. Fish. Natto V1 tropical fish? No. Icon fish. Cool. Iconify. Interesting. Okay, that's fine. Sure, why not? Let's get these in place now, so we actually get something to appreciate. So the card is going to be that. Here's my card. And we're going to say that this is going to be a placeholder icon is going to be we could just say doggo.type. Doggo.type. Yeah. Go there, go to the card. If we don't have the image, we go icon dash. Let's see, this will actually be like that. And then the placeholder, what do I call it? Placeholder icon. Here is that React functional component. I need to add all of these things in. There you go. And then string, some alt is a string and is optional. Title required 2 is optional. Title is optional. Thumb is optional. Placeholder icon is optional. I feel like I should have that. That's pretty good. Let's see. Did we get it done? Yes, we did. Very nice. We have some nice pets. We're going to do a div around this though and say, well, unless I could do like this. I can say this has a padding of 10 pixels. Oh, cool. I can totally do that. That's awesome. Let's go here. Label href. Class name is going to be padding of 4. No, 4 times 4, that's 16. It should be like 8. There you go. Hey. Shouldn't this have a padding of 8? P4? Okay, P4, but P10 is not a thing? No, I think that's a Tailwind issue. Tailwind's not watching my crap again. Alright, weekend is almost here. We have some animals. Okay, this is not going to work either because we basically need we need something in case they're not found. Let's see, border bottom 1 pixel solid. Let's see, padding. Yeah, this is better. Okay, let's fix that. Yep. This is not a good system because I can't rely just on doggo type. I need to get type icon or get category icon. Get placeholder icon. Get placeholder icon. Cool. Okay, get placeholder icon. We're gonna have a function here. Function there that takes the type pet type, pet category, pet type. It's going to be a string. Param string pet type, and is going to return new map dot get pet type or the default value. What is the default going to be? I need a default pet icon. The paw print. The paw print is going to be just fine. So let's do placeholder icon. And it's not actually an icon, right? It's the placeholder SVG. Got this in the wrong place. Placeholder icon should be placeholder SVG. And this is going to pass in the placeholder SVG. The label, I don't know if we need a label on that. Might as well leave the label on that. Cool, that's the little avatar. And then this guy needs a function. Yep, get placeholder icon. This should actually be SVG. Placeholder SVG should be that. And returns unknown word. Get placeholder. Get placeholder. Placeholder. Yeah. Returns that, or the default is going to be icon paw print, I think. And now we need, if the type is dog, is going to be icon dog. See if I got that right first try. Booyah! First try, baby. Let's do this. Icon map, no, SVG map. Type SVG map. I'm going to say const type SVG map is going to equal this new map. And it's going to return a string, which I think is fine. I'm just going to do this as an object, I think. Might be easier to understand this way. So if we do this, this is going to return any okay, this needs to be, let's see, let's undo that just so that I have it available. Copy that, redo it, put it down there, comment it out, then we're gonna do at type is going to be const. And then this needs to be inside of that. Yep. Okay, it returns, it takes a string and returns any. If I get rid of this, still can't figure out what that is, huh? Okay, but if I do this, and I do this, this is all pointless waste of time. Just so that I can get the return type to know that it's a string. Useless waste of time. Let's see. Hash. Let's see. Let's hash equals that. Do you know what hash is? Hash is type of any. That doesn't make any sense. This is read only. Type of no, key of no, what is it? Type SVG map at key of type SVG map. Okay. That's so dumb. That's so annoying. It can either be, okay, what if this is like string? Oof. Oof. Well, this should probably be I wonder if this could be like this. Take this, put it there. And then it knows that it only returns icon dog. Okay, cool. What if I get rid of that? Still knows it returns only icon dog. Okay, that. Or a string. Returns any. It can't return any. It's either going to return that or this. Oh, I know how to do this. I know how to do this. Let's see. Placeholder SVG takes either that or a string, so it knows, it kind of knows what to expect. It should be key of that, so it should actually, yeah, key of that. Okay, cool. So let's go, let's actually, if I try to call this, is it going to tell me what's available? Test? No, it's just going to say string. Okay, but if I get rid of this as a string, it's going to say dog. Perfect. So that's what I want. Key of that. Ideally, that's defined. And then we say something like, if that is defined, return that. Otherwise, we return icon print, right? That's what it is. Kind of annoying, but that's okay. Okay, cool. And if I don't have this as a const, then it's going to say, oh, it's just a string. Yep, cool. That's going to be a constant. Kind of annoying syntax, but that is a-okay. So that way we get this type safety that says, hey, it's either going to return this or it's going to return that. And it's expecting to get this. You can technically pass in any string. But yeah, that's like a sort of nice handy way of doing that. So now we say get placeholder SVG. And get placeholder SVG is going to work by either, yep, returning that. Let's add some more options. Cool. We've got that. We've got dog. We've got dog, cat, fish, lizard, dog, cat, fish, bunny, lizard. What's the other? What else do we have? Oh, reptile, not lizard. Bird, fish, bunny. Dog, cat, bird, reptile, fish, bunny, other. Okay, cool. Not lizard, reptile, and bird. And we're gonna go ahead and sort those because. There we go. Cool. Love that it's showing that correctly. Love that it's showing that correctly. Love that it's working correctly. Bubbles, whiskers. Luke Jean. And we need to add some more icons now. We need a bird icon. Oh, little birdie. Little birdie. That one's kind of cute. Don't really want it to be like a Twitter. It's a little bit too much. I'm gonna do this freaking funky looking bird. Copy that symbol, come over here, SVG symbols. We've got bird. Make sure we get that comma in there. This is going to be a bird, or nope, icon bird, because it's an icon, not just a plain old SVG, which I think I can probably be okay with just like dropping that icon prefix. Might be alright. And then we're gonna do, ooh, text message. I feel special. Ooh, my friend's mom sent me a text message with a tofu spinach lasagna recipe. Which I am going to forward to my other friend. Oh, she is too cute. Let's copy that. Okay, so we've got that. We've got, I need like a reptile 0 icons for reptile. How about lizard? Or dragon? That one's pretty good. Emoji 1 lizard. Tweemoji. I like this one better. CG symbol. What is this? Hand lizard. Hand lizard. Alright. Cool. Bird, cat, dog, fish. Lizard. Should probably be called lizard, which means our code should have reptile, should actually go to the lizard. Lizard, LLL, PML. Lizard. There we are. Bunny. Missing bunny. Bunny. Buns. McGuns. Okay. Ooh, just the bunny face or bunny side? Bunny side is pretty good. I'm thinking bunny face is gonna make more sense though. No, I like bunny side actually. I do. Let's do bunny side, which means I have to change my dog and cat. That's okay though. Dog, bunny, cat, bird, bunny, bunny, and the bunny. ID is icon bunny. Icon bunny should be there. And I have icon bunny. There we go. Icon bunny. Okay, so let's redo the dog and the cat. Cat. Emoji? Nothing for cat emoji. Ugh. Okay, so we need like the whole cat. There's a cute cat. Natto black cat. Tweemoji cat. Okay, I guess we have the whole cat. We are gonna get that. SVG symbol for the cat. There's the cat. And it should be icon cat. There you go. Bunny, fish, cat, dog. That's a cute dog. But this is a really cute dog. Let's see. How's this? No, definitely not that dog. Not vibing it. That's a pretty good dog. What's this? What is this dog? Emoji 1. Okay, I want to see the emoji 1. Wow, there are so many of these. Emoji 1. Oh, look at these. I didn't even see these ones. Okay, there's a lot. Ooh, baby chick, that's kind of cute. Emoji 1, let's go bird. Dog. I mean, come on. Okay, emoji 1, you have a lot of icons. A lot of icons are not particularly helpful. Here's my emoji in 1 bird. Eh. Did I change it already? I don't think I did. Oh, look at that. Dragon. Crocodile. Oh, that'd be good. Alright, let me get this finished. Let's see. Emoji 1 dog. No, just dog. How do I... Oh, there it is. No, there it is. Emoji 1 colored. Cool. Bird. All right, let's do this. Bird, cat, dog. No, what? I somehow got the dog. So I have the emoji 1 cat. Let's throw the emoji 1 cat in there. As a Tweemoji cat. Okay, emoji 1 dog. That's why I didn't copy it. Okay, emoji 1 dog. Let's go here. Let's come down here. Let's paste that. Let's change that to icon. Hit save. Let's come up here. Let's say cat. There's my cat. Cool. I'm down for these. These are cute. Okay. Here's my cat. Ho ho ho. Almost changed my chevron. There we go. Icon, cat. Let's go. We got a fish. We got a fish. We got a bird. Oh, we do have a fish. Okay. I'm gonna go with this little fishy. Tropical fish. Blowfish. Fishing pole. Fish cake with swirl. And just fish. We're doing this tropical bad boy. Alright. Fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish. Okay, we've got fish. We need bird. And I think we've got bunny already. Yeah, not my favorite bird, but it'll do. Bird. And then bunny. Bunny. They don't have a bunny. Rabbit. They do have a rabbit. It's a really silly one. Probably not the one. Yeah, maybe. I guess so. It does kind of fit, doesn't it? Yeah. Cool. We've got the lizard already as well. So let's do that. Um, let's add a lizard, Larry, type dog, cat, bird, reptile. Add that. And then we're gonna add, what else are we missing? Bunny, fish, reptile, I think that's it. Dog, cat, bird, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing the bird. Bird. Bird is Henrietta. Don't ask me why. Cool. That is a really ugly bird. But that's okay because we're actually changing that bird right now. With, oh, not the tropical fish. Dang it. Icons. Bunny. Cool. Copy SVG symbol for the bunny. That's a lot of code for a bunny. Throw that in there. Much less code. ID is icon bunny. And then the bird. Is that really the only bird they have? I'm gonna give it a strawberry instead. Alright, let's go up here. Let's change this bird symbol. Replace that. Change this to... Oh, you freaking piece of... Give me that freaking bird. Thank you. There we go. Icon bird. Okay, cool. Let's see how this is looking. Everything should reload. Awesome. Looking good. We've got our Henrietta. We've got our Bubbles, Whiskers, Luke Jean. Beautiful. I'm pretty happy with this, actually. I'm very happy with this. Pretty happy with that. Okay, yeah, we gotta change that. Cool. It's not get placeholder SVG. It's get pet type SVG. SVG href. No! href. Cool. Great. That function should probably live in the utils. That's gonna be up here. We've got utils, utils. I'm gonna do search params to query, export function, cool, and then you are going to import get, yep, that, and then you're done. And then the pet itself, we're gonna do the exact same thing here. the exact same thing here. This should be href. This should be okay, and this should have the pet type on it. I think we probably don't need this. Yeah, don't think we need that. And then we need the utils. Am I not using any utils here? Okay, fine. Slash dot dot slash dot dot slash utils. Too good. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay. What else do I need to do? I think that's as far as I'm going to get today. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay, love it, love it. Too many clients already. That's very strange. Ah, it's because every time I save, this freaking reconnects. All right, well that's all right. All right, that is gonna be the stream today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it at that. Cool. Well, thanks for hanging out. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. I think we're getting pretty close on getting this finished. So, really happy with these results. All right, I'm gonna call it. I will catch you next time, and that'll be next week. Have a great weekend. See ya.